Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Paris, France, and I'm at Saint Séverin. Severin? Severin? You know me, I never get the names right. But let's go inside the church and at least get the pictures right. I can always do pictures right. That's why you watch my videos, is for the pictures. Not for my commentary, not for my good looks, not because I named things correctly, but because I got good pictures. And I at least capture what you see. Okay, here we go, let's go do it. And there's the church. Oh my gosh, okay. It's pretty amazing. Very amazing. Wow, wow. And it's huge. Well, it's big from where I'm sitting. And that's Saint Séverin, that's the name. Saint Séverin? I don't know how to say it right. 1745 is when it was made. Thank you. Well, Saint Séverin Sacrament, wow. Stained glass is amazing. Can you see it? Look at the stained glass behind here. It's pretty amazing. I mean, there's tons of these. Wow. Every little chapel in here has a stained glass motif with paintings and everything else, and then it tells all about it in the literature. But each one has this. Look at this stained glass. Oh my gosh. Wow. And this is it from the backside. Bless you. amazing church. You know, I've heard rumors that people say, or rumors, not rumors, I hear people say that you should visit every church in Paris. Boy, that's pretty spectacular. And that's it from me, everybody. Bye.